Cyclone Review, the laziest income system you're ever likely to find. Multiple done-for-you revenue packages included. Built-in viral traffic builder. Cyclone is a cloud-based app that allows you to earn commissions online with done-for-you revenue packs. You just need to choose one of the packs, add your affiliate link and set up the traffic system. This app works for you in the background 24/7 so you can get leads and make sales without doing manual work. Everything is inside one easy-to-use system. Instead of setting up pages and trying to make affiliate commissions manually, you can now get a system that literally does the work for you. You simply choose a revenue pack which has an MCV, maximum customer value. You activate the revenue pack with the free traffic builder. Once activated, other people drive your traffic for you. Then Cyclone SPI takes over and starts by tagging your free traffic as it comes in with your unique link, so you make money. Next, the app begins to mail every new prospect in stealth mode with a complete marketing series, all with your links built in. You don't have to do anything, Cyclone will generate results for you without your intervention. Your Cyclone account is loaded with multiple revenue packages and each one can be used again and again. Cyclone, let the app do the rest while you do something else.